老师，您好. I'm Ali from 意大利.
意大利
Tones are the most difficult for me because there are 4 tones and a neutral tone in Chinese, but there are no tones at all in my language.
Yes. Besides, tones may be influenced by other tones. For example, we say 你好 instead of 你好. In this video, we'll learn some rules and practice them in daily conversation. First, let's watch a video.
哎，你好吗？
我很好啊。
你好吗？
还可以。
你好吗？
不太好。
When we greet people, we can say 你好 or 您好. In this video, we saw you can also ask 你好吗 means how are you? Did you find out how to answer? If you are good, you say
很好.
很好 sounds strange.
Yes, it's difficult to pronounce third tone fully when there are 2 of them together.
Let's do some practice. Please read after me. Pay attention to the tones. 你好
你好.
很好
很好.
还可以
还可以.
还可以
还可以. 老师, the 你 and 可 are third tone. Why didn't you read them that way?
You are very observant. It is a rule. When 2 third tones are placed next to each other, we read the first third tone as a second tone. For example, 洗澡
洗澡.
雨伞
雨伞.
法语
法语.
展览
展览. Oh, I got it. What shall I answer when I am not good?
不太好
Oh, so this 不 is the same as 不, right?
Yes. They are the same character and same meaning, but tones are changed. This is another rule we will learn. When 不 is alone or before the first tone, the second tone, and the third tone, we read 不, the fourth tone. 不吃, 不难, 不想. But when it is before the fourth tone, we read 不, the second tone. 不是, 不要.
Oh, that's why we say 不客气.
Right, you are so smart.
谢谢老师. I have another question about tones. When I did the exercise after last video, I met 一点儿 and 一会儿. Are 一 and 一 the same meaning but different tones?
Good question. 一 means one. This is a rule. When 一 is used alone or before nothing, it's pronounced as the first tone. 一星期一 When 一 is used before the fourth tone, it's pronounced as the second tone. 一块钱 When 一 is used before other 3 tones, it's pronounced as a fourth tone. 一天一年100
谢谢老师. I understand now. I just need more practice to remember these rules.
Don't worry. There are more exercises for you. You can remember tones better when you learn the words. That's all for now.